In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in Dropbox Sign, a nifty feature for those looking to seamlessly edit PDF files without the need for complex software. Whether you're preparing a document for presentation or just organizing your paperwork, adding text boxes can be both functional and time-saving. So, let's dive right into it. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Dropbox Sign. If you're unfamiliar with where to find it, a quick search should lead you to their official site. Once you've arrived, simply log in with your credentials. This will bring you to the main dashboard of Dropbox Sign, where all your documents and files reside. Next, you will want to select the PDF file that you need to edit. This process is straightforward. Simply locate the file and give it a click or tap. The file will open in a preview window, ready for us to make changes. To enter the editing mode, look above the file preview for the Edit PDF button. Clicking this button will render the document into a format that allows editing. Now that you're in the editing interface, direct your attention towards the toolbar situated at the top. Here, you'll find an Add Text button. Click it, and your cursor will change, setting you up for the next step. With the Add Text functionality activated, move your cursor to the location on your PDF where you want the text box to appear. A simple click will place the text box in your selected area. You'll notice this new box is empty. This is where your text will go. In the box that appears, go ahead and type in the text that you need. It might be a label, a note, or anything that the document requires. This is where the customizability of Dropbox Sign shines. The text box isn't just static. You can modify its attributes to better fit your document's style. Change the font to something professional or playful. Adjust the size for emphasis, and even alter the color to match your branding or personal preference. If you find that the box needs to fit in a different spot, resize it or rotate it as necessary until it aligns perfectly with the rest of your content. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, the last thing to do is to finalize and save your edits. Simply click Done to ensure all your changes are saved. Dropbox will then store this new version as a separate copy in your account. This way, your original file remains untouched, and you have a fresh version with the edits you've made. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively added a text box to your document using Dropbox Sign.